When it comes to rubber gaskets, most people focus on the rubber itself. However, the adhesive holding it in place might actually make or break your seal. For instance, the wrong adhesive could lead to leaks, product failure, and costly redesigns. In this video, we'll explain how rubber gasket adhesives are used, walk you through 5 key questions to ask before choosing one, and share tips on how to perfect your gasket design. Rubber gasket adhesives create seals and are often used as a supplement to mechanical fasteners like bolts or screws. While not all gasket applications require adhesives, manufacturers often use them to ensure a secure and reliable seal. The choice of gasketing adhesive depends heavily on your application, including the type of forces involved, environmental conditions, and the surfaces your gasket will bond to. When it comes to selecting a gasket material, there are many rubber material options out there, but the main 8 are listed here with their temperature range and other important properties. Feel free to pause the video to see what material might be best for your application. But if you think you're done with materials, you've forgotten all about the gasketing adhesives that need to be there to make sure your gasket is strong and long-lasting. In this chart, we have outlined the 3 primary types of adhesives, but please remember there are a lot of variations within each type. So feel free to pause the video again to view gasketing adhesives that can be used in your project. Now that you know the kinds of adhesives that can be used with rubber gaskets, there are 5 important questions that you need to ask yourself before you select one. The first is how strong the seal needs to be, which will require a closer look at the amount of force your gasket will endure and the available surface area for bonding. In many cases, the adhesive will fail before the rubber under extreme stress. So understanding the seal's physical limits helps prevent overestimating your gasket's durability. In some demanding applications, combining adhesives with mechanical fasteners may help create an even more powerful bond. The second is what environmental factors the gasket will face, such as temperature extremes, chemical exposure, or high pressure. Even the strongest adhesive can degrade quickly if exposed to untested environmental conditions, making real-world or simulated application trials essential before committing to a material choice. Thorough design planning, testing, and prototyping will help guarantee your seal's performance. The third is how long the seal needs to last. Adhesives can vary from temporary to permanent solutions. Plus, different adhesive forms, such as tape, film, paste, or liquid, perform differently over time. For example, rubber gasket seals tend to have high initial tack and hold, but they may not match the long-term holding power of acrylic tapes. So choosing based on life cycle expectations is crucial. The fourth question is what substrates are involved, as certain surfaces like metals are adhesive friendly, while others like low surface energy plastics are more difficult to bond. The compatibility between the gasket material and the adhesive is equally important, as some adhesives work perfectly with one type of rubber, but poorly with another, which may limit your options. The fifth and most important question is the function of the application, because compression requirements, automation capabilities, and handling needs can significantly influence adhesive selection and gasket design. Understanding the specific application needs, whether it be sealing a truck body, creating a waterproof seal under high pressure, or producing parts for space travel, ensures that both the material and adhesive are engineered to withstand the exact conditions they will face. Creating the perfect gasket design will involve balancing performance requirements with manufacturability. When you submit your design to an experienced converter for evaluation, they can offer recommendations that improve ease of manufacturing, material choice, and adhesive capability. A skilled converter will not only produce precise die-cut parts, but also engineer them for an automation-friendly assembly. By asking the right questions early on and working closely with a converter, you can create a gasket that performs reliably, meets application demands, and can be manufactured efficiently at scale. To find out more about gaskets or working with a converter, feel free to visit our Learning Center or reach out to us directly. Thanks for watching.